There are two types of companies emerging right now, and the difference between them is starting to define the market. Some are experimenting with AI in pockets. Others are fundamentally redesigning how their business operates around it. On one side, AI stays fragmented, delivering limited local gains, isolated wins that never scale. On the other hand, it's connected across the business, driving real, measurable outcomes that transform the entire enterprise. This isn't just about adopting new technology. It's about whether your organization can execute at scale. And this is where the shift becomes real, with Bizmetric. Why Bizmetric? Because making AI work across an enterprise takes more than models. It requires unified data, scalable systems, and intelligence embedded into everyday decisions, built on powerful platforms like Microsoft Fabric and Databricks. So the real question isn't whether AI is part of your strategy, it's whether your business is starting to run on it. Because very soon, that's what will separate leaders from everyone else. AI doesn't fall short because of capability. It falls short when it isn't operationalized. The organizations that get this right are the ones that will move faster, decide better, and lead. And that's the shift Bizmetric is enabling. So, contact us by emailing us at marketing@bizmetric.com, following us on LinkedIn, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, Bizmetric's Official.